Ating Perfume Love Manila. Thank you so much for the collaboration. We are back! And of course, after a long time, makapag-review na ulit tayo ng mga favorite perfume and favorite na mga scent natin. Yan. And this time po, kasi it's with the collaboration na hawak-hawak ko na, no? Perfume Love Manila. So, bago namin to ituloy, we would like to welcome everyone. Welcome to Pabango! Ayan. So, again, ito po yung ating Perfume Love Manila. Thank you so much for the collaboration. Ayan. We are happy to collaborate with you. And with that po, papakilala lang muna namin. No? You can check out the Perfume Love Manila from Lazada and Shopee for those who would like to avail. And also, madami po sila mga decan. So all of your favorite scent, favorite signature scent, signature perfume, meron po sila. And ang gandahan nito, dahil gusto mo munang itry, you can go for decan. At dahil you can go for decan, meron silang 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml. Yan. So, ano yun eh, ang maganda doon, you can bring this, you can try muna kung effective ba sa akin yung perfume na to, gusto ko ba talaga itong scent na to, nagtatagal ba sa akin. So, that's the good thing about it. And, ang isa pang kagandahan, they have spa. So, this can be very handy. Kung ikaw nadadala mo sa office, mag-cut natin, madali-dali lagay sa bag lang.
Pag sa maliit na bag, pwede pa.
Oo. Wag lang sa bulsa, no? Sa mga lalaki. Baka maupuan. So, yan yung maganda na mayroong pouch, and of course, you have choices dun sa mga favorite perfume mo. And you can put here at least 3 to 4. At aling ko, pwede, oo. Kaya madadala mo lalo na kung mayroong kang long vacation na gusto mo magdala ng mga favorite scent mo. Kaso, ang bulky naman kapag puro bote, di ba? So, ito. Yan, pwede tayo mag-decan. Yan. And because of that, si-share naman ni Shasha yung kanyang mga naging scent, no, na naging favorite dito.
Yes. So, I think bago lang din pala to, yung pouch nila from Perfume Love Manila kasi previously, hindi pa to available before. So I think this is a new one, and they have a new design as well with the Decan perfume. Before, it was only transparent, sobrang simple and minimalist sila, but this time I think rebranding or nagbago sila ng marketing strategy in terms of their product, which is good kasi mas cute, and pwede mong idala kahit saan, especially the pouch. It's travel friendly as well. So if anyone who are love to purchase their perfume, I think you can have this pouch, or you can communicate with the seller if they are already selling this pouch or for free. Okay, first is I tried this Tiffany & Co perfume, Eau de Parfum. So this is more on the rose note of the perfume, more on fresh Irish. However, hindi ko maamoy yung Irish na part na scent nito. But this is more on fresh perfume for women. So for me, it really didn't last long on my skin. So more on 2 to 4 hours lang siya. But this is a sweet and fresh perfume. So for those women, ladies out there, or teenagers as well, pwede nyo gamitin to. However, hindi na siya nagtatagal. So you have to use it from time to time, or you can overspray it. As long as you want, it's okay. Hindi siya ganun katapang sa ilong. So okay siya sa akin. Yun lang, pag gusto mo lang ulit mag-spray, spray mo lang ulit. Or kung gusto mo siyang gamitin, go lang.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is Tiffany & Co Eau de Parfum. Yan. Yan. So next is this is Dolce & Gabbana perfume. So, madalas na namin itong nare-review way back in our vlog. So, this is D&G Light Blue Intense. I tried this again kasi nakakamiss siya at the same time. Maganda siyang perfume, especially this summer. This is a good perfume for summer, especially for women. I think for all ages kasi I believe, and I still remember, I used this when I'm still high school. This is the perfume of my mom. So, ginagamit ko siya ng high school pa lang ako. So, yan. So, gusto ko to, especially summer. Sobrang fresh niya lang. And, it really lasts long with me. It took for 4 to 8 hours, this perfume. So, sobrang okay siya. Good for 1 to 3 or 4 spray. Okay na siya sa akin. Okay siya sa akin. So, I really recommend Light Blue Intense. D&G, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. So, yes. This is a good one.
So, ayun, no? Kita mo yung difference, no? Although, these two are good perfumes, pero dahil nga naka-decant, may kita mo kagad, ito hindi masyado nagtatagal sa akin, ito mas natatagal sa akin, ito parang mas gusto ko, ito siguro pang overspray. So, mayroong mga ganyan. So, yun yung kagandahan kapag ka-decant. Okay? So, hopefully, yung mga susunod pa natin na review, ma-check pa natin kung ano yung ibang mga perfume. And again, tingnan ninyo, no? Napakaganda ng kanilang mga presentation.
Yes.
So, pwede nyo ipang regalo, pwede ninyo pang giveaway sa mga gusto pong kung meron kayong mga pang giveaway na mga wedding, yung birthdays,
debut.
So, pwede ito yung isama, no?
Sa mga best friend nyo.
So, check out po Perfume Lab Manila sa Lazada at sa Shopee. Alright, so, again, thank you. Welcome again to Pau Bango and hope to see you more sa mga susunod pong mga reviews natin.
Yay! Thank you! Bye-bye!